first mood of living in Vrindavan is that one of gratitude. Do you understand this word, the meaning of gratitude? So feeling grateful, and grateful to Guru, grateful to Krishna, grateful to Radharani. Oh, why me? And how? How is it possible? I am born in a Western country, far from India. I have no culture and no proper upbringing like a Hindu or like an Indian. But here I am. Even Indians that live in India and Maharashtra or other parts of India, they're very fortunate. They have very high birth, oftentimes good birth, Brahmin, Kshatriya. And they're handsome and beautiful and wealthy and educated. But they're living in Delhi or Bombay or Ahmedabad or anywhere, but they're not living here. Even though they're born in this country, they're Indians. They don't need visa. They don't need passport, visa, permission. They're born here. They can walk to Vrindavan. They don't need airplane. They can walk free. We have to spend money to come. We can't walk. We can walk also, but great difficulty. But they don't live here. Why? No mercy. I'm not very complicated. I'm very simple. So it's mercy. We're grateful. So that you're carrying with you. It's just like you don't. Just like sometimes if you go in the West, I haven't been there so long, but if you go in the West, you may put on regular clothes. You may go to work. You maybe have a job. You put on pants and suit and whatever, dress and blouse, and go to work, and there's no tilak and maybe no neck beads. So you're working in office, ordinary, materialistic person. But inside you're carrying the identity. I am Krishna Das, I'm Krishna Dasi. This is your identity. It's always there, wherever you go. You're in the office, they're joking, they're speaking prajalpa, news, politics, sports, boys, girls, adventure, Bollywood, Hollywood. And you talk this, that. But inside, you never forget, I am a devotee. My identity. So it's with you wherever you go. You're in the office, go to office party, and you're there, but you're not really taking part because you think, I'm a devotee. Oh, you want some whiskey? No, I don't take. You don't say, oh, I'm a devotee, I don't take. You say, no, I don't take. And so I take some ginger ale or 7-Up or fruit juice, whatever. So this is the same thing. When you're in Vrindavan, you're living in Vrindavan, you're not walking around all the time, oh, I'm grateful, I'm grateful, I'm grateful. I'm so thankful, I'm thankful. But otherwise, you have to pay attention. There's cars, you have to look. But it's a feeling. It's like you said, what is the feeling? This is a mood that you're always feeling, I don't deserve this, I don't deserve this. This is kind of inside in your heart. Mind is thinking, there's a motorcycle, be careful, you get run over. Your mind is thinking and your senses are working. I'm going to the sabji market in Vrindavan, Radhakund, I'm buying sabji. Hey, too much, 5, 10 rupees. So you're doing what you have to do, your karma, your activity. But inside, you're always thinking, I'm so fortunate. So that's why this concept called aparad means that which displeases, makes someone unhappy, or makes someone uncomfortable. That's called aparad. Aparadha, against the pleasure, against the happiness.